Join me as I take on the challenge of creating an AI business bot from scratch, no experience necessary. Can I make it work for any industry? Imagine having a superpowered assistant that can automate tasks, answer customer queries, and even help you make data-driven decisions. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if I told you that AI business bots can make this a reality for any industry, from healthcare to e-commerce and beyond? One of the biggest misconceptions about creating an AI business bot is that you need to be a tech whiz or have a PhD in AI. But the truth is, most people who try to create their own AI bot face similar challenges. You might be thinking, I don't know how to code, I don't understand AI technology, or I don't have the resources to hire a team of developers. These are all valid concerns, but they shouldn't hold you back from exploring the potential of AI business bots. The reality is, creating an AI bot is more accessible than you think, and I'm about to show you how. Another common hurdle is the perceived complexity of AI technology. You might be thinking, I'm not a tech expert, I don't know where to start. But the truth is, AI business bots can be created using user-friendly platforms that require minimal coding knowledge. So what's holding you back from creating your own AI business bot? Is it the fear of the unknown, or the misconception that you need to be a tech expert? Whatever it is, I'm here to tell you that it's time to take the leap and explore the vast potential of AI business bots. To create an AI business bot, you'll need to choose the right platform, define the bot's purpose, and integrate it with existing systems. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's more straightforward than you think. First, you'll need to select a platform that aligns with your goals and resources. There are many platforms out there that offer user-friendly interfaces and drag-and-drop tools, making it easy to create your AI bot without any coding knowledge. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to define your bot's purpose. What do you want it to achieve? Do you want it to automate customer service, provide personalized recommendations, or analyze data? The possibilities are endless, and it's essential to have a clear understanding of what you want your bot to do. Finally, you'll need to integrate your AI bot with existing systems, such as your website, CRM, or social media channels. This might sound daunting, but most platforms offer seamless integration options that make it easy to get started. Let's take a look at a simple example of an AI business bot in action. Imagine a chatbot that helps customers book appointments for a beauty salon. The bot can ask questions, provide personalized recommendations, and even send reminders to customers. It's a simple yet powerful example of how an AI business bot can revolutionize the way you do business. In this example, the AI bot is integrated with the salon's website and calendar system, making it easy for customers to book appointments online. The bot can also provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's preferences and history, increasing the chances of repeat business. The possibilities are endless, and it's incredible to see how an AI business bot can transform the way you interact with your customers. In this video, we've covered the basics of creating an AI business bot, from choosing the right platform to integrating it with existing systems. It's not as complicated as you think, and the potential benefits are enormous. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to take the leap and create your own AI business bot. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools for businesses. Check out our next video on how to use AI to boost your marketing efforts.